Welcome. This is a 12-minute morning yoga to help you feel your best for the day ahead, or of course, any time of the day. As always, feel free to modify or skip any poses that don't feel right. Let's begin standing. With the feet nice and wide, just begin to sway the arms side to side. And we'll start to slow our sway. Coming back to center, shaking out the hands, the wrists, just shaking out any stress. Maybe even coming into the feet, completely optional here, maybe shaking both. Great. Standing at the top of the mat. Inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, fold. Option to bend the knees. Flat back, come up as high as you need. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come to standing, hands reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come to standing, hands reach up. Exhale, take a fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sit the hips low, chair pose, reach the hands up and a little forward. Exhale, swing the hands down and back. Inhale, reach back up, chair. Exhale, as you slowly lower down to your seat, take your time here, coming into boat pose. You can keep your feet planted on the mat, grabbing the backs of the thighs. You can stay here, grabbing the thighs, lifting the ankles in line with the knees, point the toes. Option to reach the hands forward. Staying here or add a little bit of heat, tapping the right toes, and then alternating with the left. Continue moving here. Engage the core, lifting through the sternum. Great, gently release. Go ahead and slowly lower all the way down, engage the core, reach the hands up overhead, big stretch. And we'll bend the knees, plant the feet mat with distance, and just begin to gently rock the knees side to side, rolling over the glutes, the lower back. And whenever you're ready, we'll bring the big toes to touch, allowing the knees to fall open. Bottoms of feet will naturally come to touch for supine butterfly pose. Option to place pillows underneath the knees for added height and support. You can also place pillows or bolsters underneath the back and the back of the head just for a little more height here. A little bit of a restorative pose. Working with the breath, creating space with each inhale. And with each exhale, maybe you slowly start to feel your body becoming heavier here. Surrendering bit by bit, part by part. Great, wherever you are, whenever you're ready, we can lift the knees and then just taking the elbows in line with the shoulders, dropping both knees over towards the left for a supine twist. Option here to place pillows between the knees and underneath that left knee for added height, less of a twist. If your back is lifting up here, you can place pillows underneath the right shoulder. Once again, working with the breath, really creating that space with each inhale and letting go with each exhale, even if it's just for a moment. And we'll gently release, lifting the knees, switching sides, again, modify if needed, and working with the breath. Really observe here, observing more, reacting less. Great, whenever you're ready, we'll lift the knees, hugging the knees in towards the chest. Big hug, big squeeze. And you can grab the outer edges of the feet, staying here, or open the feet for happy baby. You can even rock gently side to side, massaging the muscles along the spine, the lower back, the upper back. And we'll give ourselves one last hug here, big squeeze. And then whenever you're ready, we'll take the feet to the bottom of the mat, hands to your sides, palms facing up, preparing for Shavasana, our last pose of the class. And maybe the only time that you will take during the day to really just sit in silence, enjoy it, and know that you are worthy of this time. Try to make time every single day for you. Again, even if it's to just lay there, to just sit there. This is so healing. This is the most important pose of your yoga practice. If you ever think of skipping it, I encourage you to just stay for the last few moments. Even if your mind is wandering, it doesn't matter. Sit here, observe the body, observe the mind. Give yourself this one time. It is a gift to just be. Know that you are worthy of this time, and this space is here for you anytime that you need. We'll rest here a few moments. We'll gently begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, maybe rocking the head, bending the knees. We'll roll over towards our right, placing less pressure on the heart. Full inhale and exhale. We'll gently come to a comfortable seat. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this class, please support the channel by giving it a like down below. This helps this class get seen. It helps tell YouTube that the class is exactly what you are looking for. It will help recommend more classes like these and be shown to people who may need it. Of course, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification icon. Set it to all so you don't miss any classes like these ones. Today's question is all about yoga props. What is one prop, whether it be pillows, a yoga wheel, yoga blocks? What is one thing that you absolutely need or love for your personal practice? This can also be your favorite yoga mat. It could be your favorite essential oil. What is that one thing? Let us know down below. Let's inspire each other. I love reading your comments. I do see them all, and I so appreciate you spending this time here with me. Thank you for joining.